Dude, what are you sitting in? My office chair? Why? The arm's broken off. I still have it. The back's leaning all crooked. Still works. And the upholstery, it's not even that bad. The half that's still there's not that bad. The noise is terrible. I think it's time to let that thing go and get a new one. I just got this chair, what, 12 or 13 years ago? It's practically brand new. Dude, take a look at this. Ooh, that's pretty nice. Just saying.
One eternity later.
Accessories box. See the neck fellow? Do not touch. Probably shouldn't be touching that. I'm guessing that if you release the handle ahead of time, it'll tear a rip in the fabric of space-time itself. We don't want that.
No, then we'll have to throw it away.
All of space-time?
Kidding. That's
Well,
the bar.
Ooh, how nicely packaged that is. Doesn't that look quality? I hope so, for what I paid for this.
So hard.
So.
My hands are not long enough.
Well, you'll get bigger. There's more pieces in this. Ooh, how fancy is that? It's a toolkit.
Sophia.
This.
Oh,
It looks like that weighs
what's number 3?
down. This
What's that?
goes over it like that.
That's
Good
a loud
enough.
thing I never heard.
Yeah.
That loud. Ooh.
It's Batman. These 4 pre-installed.
That's number.
M8.
That's number 4.
There's 4 of them. They're M8 screws.
I'm a Batman. You're Batman.
That's right. That is heavy. This is probably heavier than my entire chair. The other chair.
See, I'm strong.
Yes, you are.
I never give up my muscles. I'm not even doing why you tell me that to.
I'm Batman.
He's the doctor.
She's the Joker. Who, Mom or the cat? It's
Mom.
Catwoman. Just to line this up with the notches. not a very strong click. Watch out.
I'm walking out.
Watch out. Oh, hey. So I've actually had this chair for a couple of weeks now since I filmed the assembly part of the video, and that's given me some time to really test it out and get to know how it works and what I like about it, what I don't like about it, if anything. So far I haven't come across anything I don't like. The build quality is fantastic. The thing is solid as a tank. It is by far the best office chair I've ever had. It just feels like you're sitting on solid rock when you're on this, not comfort-wise. It just feels like you're sitting on something solid. The lumbar support is fantastic. I always have a painful lower back, so being able to crank this thing up is really nice. I wasn't sure how I was going to like the adjustable 5,000 position armrests at first. I didn't really know what use I would find for that, but the longer that I'm using the chair, the more uses I'm finding for the different armrest positions. If I'm just at my computer typing, I tend to keep them straight and normal. I also like to sit back and read. If I'm reading a book, I can turn these front parts inward so that when I'm holding a book, it better supports my entire forearm while I'm doing it. If I'm playing on my cell phone, I tend to have my arms in closer, and I can turn these back parts in, and I can even pull them back more, and it gives my elbows support while I'm doing that closer to my body. Occasionally I may find it more comfortable to have the armrests closer in or farther out, depending on what I'm doing. I don't adjust the height of them too much, except if I'm trying to get really close to the desk. If I really pull in close, it bumps on there, and I don't want it to do that, so I can drop them just below desk height so that I don't hit. So the height adjustability on this chair is really nice. I am 6'1". Well, I'm 6'1.5" inches, but if you say you're 6 foot, then people think you're probably really 5'11" and you're fudging a little bit to sound tall. And if you say you're 6'1.5" inches, they just think you're overly pedantic. And so I just say I'm 6'1" or 6'1" in shoes, which is anyway. I digress. Even on the lowest setting on this chair, it's still comfortable. The front of my leg is off the front of the chair just slightly, but it's still perfectly comfortable. And if I adjust it all the way to the top, my feet actually barely scrape the floor at all. And if I recline the thing back, my feet aren't anywhere near, I gotta point my toes down to touch the floor with this thing at full height. So there's a lot of adjustment. In fact, I usually don't even keep this chair at full height. Usually keep it actually just over the bottom position is what I find comfortable. Normally I have the thing kind of lean back and I like to be able to have my feet on the floor. And if I have it too high, that, like I said, that just doesn't work. This video is not sponsored by Secretlab in any way. I bought this chair myself and just wanted to do a little unboxing, first impressions video and let you all know what I think and practice doing unboxing, first impression YouTube videos, because why not? So if you found some value in this video, if you found it informative or helpful, please give it a like. Consider subscribing if you want to see more of my goofy antics. If you didn't like it and didn't find it helpful, give it a thumbs down. Won't hurt my feelings any. But anyway, thanks for watching, and until next time, take care. I do. How does Peter McKinnon do it?